So one Ronaldo is the best in the now when Ronaldo he got a Ballon d'Or. He's shooting. The shooting is the heart and the post is on the flames and he's shooting like the best. The gold or CR7. CR7. That shot. CR7 is the GOAT. The GOAT is Ronaldo and he is the GOAT. He's the best. He is killing the best soccer players. Cristiano Ronaldo, CR7. The best soccer player ever. Soccer player Ronaldo, CR7. And the box, not in the box. He's going for it. The Tocolosi and the Ronaldo. The Tocolosi and the Ronaldo. He's winning the goal. He's winning the goal. The goal is Ronaldo. Portugal's best player. Ronaldo, the goalkeeper, can not save it because sometimes he's the best. Sometimes you're there at the place and he's scoring, you're like going through and through and through and through. Ronaldo is the